We're going to move on now to the weather because we got a real battering at the weekend, Nina, didn't we?
We did. We've had a bit of a lull today, but there's more to come. Those winds are going to pick up once again. Low pressure systems rattling in over the next couple of days. So it was calmer today. The waves not quite so big, but of course moved things back of 24 hours, and it was incredibly stormy, and it seems like this that will really repeat over the next couple of days with some further strong winds. We have got a Met Office yellow warning in force. It will remain unsettled. There'll be further rain and showers. Through this evening it tends to just cloud over. We're looking at some patchy and some light rain, but by the end of the night those winds will once again be gusting to around about 40 to 45 miles an hour. Temperatures falling to around about 4 to 5 degrees at their lowest. So it's a rather grey, damp start to things tomorrow morning, but through mid-morning around lunchtime we're expecting a spell of very heavy rain to move its way through. A couple of hours worth of torrential downpours combined with some squally winds. In fact, those winds strengthening even further. We could see gusts up to around 50 miles an hour. Temperatures a little academic at around 8 or 9 degrees, but through the evening that Met Office yellow warning comes into force. So there is the further risk of some disruption. Through the day on Wednesday, 50, even 60 miles an hour. The strongest of the winds always through the Channel coast. It's a mixture of sunshine and heavy showers through the day on Wednesday. Some of those could be heavy with some thunder mixed in, even a little bit of hail, and highs of 11 degrees. And those low pressure systems, even towards the end of the week, keep on coming. Tightly packed isobars, so it will remain windy. Weather fronts bringing spells of rain with some showers in between. But we will slightly see those temperatures picking up towards the end of the week. A bit of a warm sector bringing a lift in those temperatures. But as we look to the outlook, you can see those strong winds take us through right the way through to the weekend. There'll be some rain, there'll be some showers with perhaps some drier spells to come in between. It does start to turn perhaps a little bit colder towards the end of the weekend, and signs at the moment that high pressure should hopefully make a bit of a return for next week. So this week low pressure, but next week maybe a little more settled.
Maybe. Promising anything, are you, Nina?